implies P. Really, you could just say, change the hypothesis and conclusion, Q implies P. Okay? Then we have the inverse. What is an inverse? What's like the inverse of division? Multiplication. So what would the inverse of like P be? The opposite of P, which is what? Not P. Remember? The negation of P. So we have the inverse, which is negation of the hypothesis and conclusion. So not P implies not Q. So going back, if two angles are not acute, then they are not complementary. Which makes sense, right? If two angles are not acute, then they are not complementary. Which two obtuse angles, are they ever going to be equal to complementary? They're ever going to be complementary? No. Okay? So not P, not Q. Then the contrapositive, the only one we haven't dealt with yet. Any guesses? We're going to switch P and Q again and negate them. Okay? So we switch P and Q and then negate. So not Q implies not P. Okay, so we are going to write now a condition, a converse, an inverse, and a contrapositive. Okay, if an insect is a butterfly, then it has 4 wings. That's our conditional statement, right? We want to start by writing the converse. And what do we say the converse was, Kylan?
Converse is the statement from the changing.
So we switch them. So what is our hypothesis and what's our conclusion right now? Justin?
If it has 4 wings, it's a butterfly.
Good. So Q implies P. If it has 4 wings, then, and I'm just going to go fast. Butterfly. Okay, then we need to do the inverse. And what does the inverse do to something, Rachel? Okay, do you have any idea what that would be then? What is not the inverse? What is not?
It's not a butterfly.
If it is not a butterfly, then it doesn't have 4 wings. Not bad, right? Hopefully. Then what is the contrapositive? Lisa?
If it does not have 4 wings, then it's not a butterfly.
Yep. We can look at this one. We know it's not Q, implies not P. If it doesn't have 4 wings, and I know this is bad. If it no 4 wings, then no butterfly. I'm just trying to write fast. I didn't give that one to you, did I? No. Okay. Logically equivalent statements. Sorry. Quite simply, they are conditional statements that have the same truth value. So, related conditional statements that have the same truth value. We will always say that the conditional and contrapositive are always going to have the same. And the converse and inverse. Same truth value. Always, 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 always. Okay, I have a worksheet for you this evening. 2, 3, 4.
What do you worksheets do you want to put in?
I don't care. It's up to you. I want you to keep them somewhere where you can easily